back to my channel. As some of you may already know, I am pregnant. I am in my second trimester, well, on the tail end of my second trimester. I'm currently 25 weeks as I record this. So on this video, I have a pregnancy box unboxing. If you follow me since my wedding unboxing videos, you know that I am a subscription box fanatic. I have BoxyCharm and all of that, and I decided that why not try a pregnancy box, since this is my last pregnancy, or I think it's my last. Yeah, I think it's my last. Anyhow, so I decided to try today the Noobie box. It looks like this. And it's a pregnancy box. Now they have a pregnancy box, they have a postpartum stage box, they have an infant box, they have boxes for kids, like all the stages that you can think of. And the thing that I like about this is that it's like a free sample box. It's not like a full, you know, they have, I think, full size 1 or 2 items, but most of it's like free samples. But the only thing you pay is the shipping fee. It's not like you pay like $30 something every month and then, you know, you get your box, whatever. This is just a one-time box. You pay your shipping fee and all that. If you're interested in checking this out, either for you or for gifting to somebody, I'm gonna leave the link down below on how to get them. And yeah, I think it's a good gift. It's a fun thing if you're pregnant to, you know, get some samples, see what you like, see what you don't like, see what your baby likes, and so on and so forward. So before I start digging into this box, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram because I post almost daily over there. And yeah, without further ado, let's unbox this box. So like I showed you, it looks like this, all natural card box and everything. I'm not gonna lie to you, I already opened it and kind of browsed, and then I was like, oh, why don't record this? So it's not as perfectly sealed. It doesn't come like this. It comes in another bag, secured, lovely. So when you first open it, I'm gonna show you how it came in a picture here before I destroy the wrapping paper. But it comes with a pre-wrapping paper and with a little, with a little tag. And then you open it. Now I'm gonna wreck it all. Oh my gosh. It looks like that. So I'm gonna go through everything that's in here. First things I see is a Lancino nipple cream. Looks like this. It's like a sample. Like I said, everything here it's samples, so that's what you get. This is a Sue Lily 15% off. More stuff, more coupons, and a welcome card. And now to get to the real stuff, this is a hair and body wash. This will be good for my hospital bag to bring it in there. We have cuties. What is this? Oh, diapers. 5 diapers, size 1. I never heard of this brand before, and I don't know if I should. Let me open it. Oh, they look like, oh, they have the line where they tell you if you need to change them, so that's very good. They're so cute. All right, I'm gonna put them back in there. We have a prenatal. This is the prenatals from the brand Morning Pep. We also have a lactation supplement drink mix. We also have a turmeric tea. I'm not big on teas, but I can try them. Oh, I really like these. This is the more of the Palmer's stretch mark cream. Oh, nice. This is the teething medicine relief kind of thing from when baby starts teething and stuff. Have 5 doses and it's all natural from the brand Boron. I have another Aquaphor diaper rash sample thingy. Lancino's nipple nursing pads and breast milk containers. Oh my goodness. These are the little, I think came with two ebb and flow bottles. I've never seen bottles this small before. They're 2 ounces. Oh my god, that's so small. Wipes from the brand Water Wipes. Look like this. Very nice. We have tea drops. So they have a matcha and green tea. I'm not a huge matcha drinker. I feel like it tastes like grass. Come for me, I don't care. It tastes like grass in my mind. And this is a citrus ginger. Some more tea. Like I said, I'm not huge on tea, but I'm willing to try. And the last thing I see here is free sample inside. Doesn't say much. What is it? So I'm gonna open it. Okay, that was a struggle. Oh, incognito. Are these? Oh, maternity pads. Oh, okay. So we have a big maxi pad. That's good. And like a liner. An liner. So that's the difference. That's good. I never heard of that brand before. Incognito. Oh, Incognito by Prevail. Okay, I heard the brand Prevail. That's maybe their new line for maternity. Bad. And that's all that came in the box. Like I said, you just pay for the shipping fee. I think it was like $10 or something. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can get this box and other boxes. Like I said, they have for infants, they have for kids, and I think for postpartum. I'm not quite sure, but you can check down below on that. Make sure to be subscribed to my channel for more content. I'm going to start doing Vlogmas. So last year, I did Vlogmas every day. This year, I think I'm gonna do 1 video a week of all the things that we're gonna do throughout the week, and then I'm just gonna condense it in 1 video because I almost lost my mind. And being pregnant this year, I don't think I'm gonna like want to do all that. So you're gonna have 1 vlog a week. So it's gonna be, instead of every day, 1 each day, each week. And that's it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.